Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to make a quick video. I don't know if it'll be quick, but I got some new wheels for the X5, the E53. People have been asking for more content on the E53 instead of the E46s. So one of the things that I have been trying to find for a long time are the 4.6 IS wheels, the Style 87 wheels, in good condition. And every time you find them, they're beat up, chewed up, lots of rash, or they're just super faded with the finish because they're old wheels. Or you find the polished or chrome ones that people ordered apparently from the dealer. I didn't even know that was an option. But I finally found a set, and luckily the person that I found them, Sean Troy over in Charleston, South Carolina with ERR, European Road Racing, he deals with a lot of E53s. So shout out to Sean for hooking it up, and he had a set he was trying to unload, and he happens to have a well-known reputable powder coater, and that guy was able to take care of them. So we're gonna go take a look. So let's go out, take a look at these wheels. It's a little windy today, but the weather is really nice. Let's turn this around. There's the X5 on the old wheels, the E70 X5M wheels. They are great wheels. I really love them if they were silver, but they're black. But man, today is, look at that weather. The wind is very welcome. The weather is cooling off. So let's take a look here. Here we go. So they've been powder coated. They've been stripped, cleaned. Any road rash that was on them was cleaned up, and then they were powder coated at factory BMW silver, or as close as you can get to it. And they look fantastic. I love the rear wheels. They are 10.5 in the rear. They got a nice concave, if you can see it right there. A lot of guys try to make a set of 4 rears for a full concave square setup. That would be awesome too, but it's even hard to find a set of these on its own, let alone 2 sets. So you have a rear wheel and a front wheel right next to each other. And then we got the other wheels down here. Yeah. And the wagon is doing what it's supposed to do, wagon duties. And we can't leave Little Red out. Let's go take a look at Little Red, resting peacefully. So the plan is to take these over to the tire shop and get these mounted on those tires. One thing they'll have to fix is, I got a stupid nail. These tires are in fantastic condition, but I got a nail right here in the no-go zone. And I am not about to trash this whole tire, which has perfect tread all the way around, still has the markings on it for that little thing. So we're gonna see what we can do. Tire shop normally doesn't repair those, but we'll see what we can do about that. So yeah, we'll take one quick look at the E53 on its original wheels first. All right, let's get these wheels loaded so we can get on the road and take care of business. Last one. All right, so these are moved. I'm gonna take a minute to rearrange them, make sure they don't get all scratched up and banged around for the 20-minute drive, and we'll be back at the tire shop. All right, we're about to head out, get the car all packed up, close the doors, and we'll be out of here. Hey, there we go. There we go. Right. All right, now let's get on the road. Let's see here. Well, you guys are riding along, you get to hear all the creaks and rattles that happen in these cars. I'm always curious if brand new, do they have any squeaks or rattles? That would be interesting. Look at that big stick. Come on. She's still got a little get up and go. No turbo like the new N63s, but it's still nice to hear that V8 sound. All right, want to save some battery. We'll cut this off. We'll be right back. Right, here we are, Global Tires in Lawrenceville. Known for always having a full parking lot. Never have any parking here, ever. All right, saw a parking spot opened up. Go grab it. Nope. I was here first. Gotta be quick. All right, we'll be back. We are back from the tire shop. I got the car washed, got the X5 parked out here, and so we'll just do the quick reveal. And I have to say I love these wheels. They're just so much easier to see than black wheels. They're a little bit more period correct than the E70 X5M wheels, and they just look great. The 4.6 IS wheels are a beautiful timeless wheel. So let's take a look. There we go. I have to say they really make this E53 stand out a little bit more. than the black wheels. And so I'm running 30mm spacers on the rear, and I always have on these stock wheels. It probably could go out a little bit more. Oh, yeah, that looks good. On the front I have 15mm spacers on the front. And you'll notice in the video the air suspension is uneven because I'm on uneven ground, so it compensates by letting air out and filling up the other side so that the car is more level when it detects that. My driveway is a mess. Lots of unlevel areas. Another reason why I love the air suspension. But yeah, that looks really good. This is the way it's supposed to look on the other side, but the other side is lower, so it jacks up that side to compensate. Quick update to insert into the video, even though I'm doing this afterwards. I did want to show off the spinning center caps. I thought it was pretty cool. I've had these things for like 2 years. I plan on using them and putting them on my red car, but they don't fit on the front because of the depth of the wheel. You would need to run a spacer for my E46, so I just kept them. And then on the E53, I don't, because I run spacers front and rear, so they fit. So let's take a look. Here we have 53. Actually, you know what? Let me take this wide angle lens off. Bam. All right, less distortion, much better. All right. And every wheel has a center cap that says BMW that's standing upright. Look at that. Here she is in the late afternoon light, looking like a proper E53. Still smokes like a chimney, but she looks good. So yeah, I think that's a wrap on this. I just wanted to make a video that kind of showed going through the process of changing the wheels out and showing the before and after. So I'll try to do a side-by-side. Maybe I can put it somewhere in this video and we'll see how that looks. But all right, till next time, thanks again.